Hi guys, it's Mel, and today I just wanted to come in and show you 20 different items that I've sold recently that I bought for only $2 each from the thrift shop, and I've sold them for $20 or more. So the reason why I wanted to show you this is being a full-time reseller and a clothes seller, a lot of business that I do is actually through bread and butter items. So I'm probably about 80% bread and butter, 20% more high-end stuff. Now the reason for this is when you're a full-time seller, you can't just rely on only selling high-end items, because I'm just not going to find enough of them in the thrift store. I have to make sure that I'm also selling regular mall type brands, still nice quality, still in good condition, but kind of like not the highest end items. If you're a part-time seller and your time is limited because you're already working 40 hours in another job, it's highly recommended that you are a bit more choosy than say what I am. You need to really pick through the items and pull out the higher quality items, because your time is so much less than mine as a full-time seller who's doing this constantly. So as a part-time seller, you know, with limited time, you need to cherry pick and pick really higher end items, I guess, things that are going to bring your average sale up, and you know, you've got less time to photograph and list than what someone like I do who's doing it all the time. So if you're full-time, but you have to sell some bread and butter items. You just have to. So I just wanted to show you the type of bread and butter items that I sell. So I buy a lot of items for $2, and those items I will try and sell for $20 plus. Sometimes I'll take an offer for around that $15 mark, because the idea of my bread and butter items is they're a quick flip. I want to move those items quickly. They're not there to make me a heap of money, right? If the items that are more higher end that I find, I'm quite happy to price them, you know, on the higher end and sit and wait for the right buyer, because then they come along and they increase my average sale. Before bread and butter items, I just want to move them. I don't want them to sit here and go stale. I'm buying them for $2. I want a quick flip. So if I sell something for $20, you have to remember that eBay takes approximately a 15% charge. That's basically eBay fees, shipping fees and PayPal fees. Altogether it adds up to roughly about 15%. If you have some promoted listings, you might have to pay an extra percent or two. But basically let's work on 15%. So if you sell something for $20, you're roughly going to lose $3 in fees. And if I've only paid $2 for that item, that's $5. So that means I'm making a $15 profit on something that I've bought for $2. So it's a quick flip. Sometimes I turn them over the same day, but I'm keen to get those items moving as quick as possible. And you'll see from my Instagram that I ship a lot of parcels out during the day, and that's because I'm quick flipping a lot of bread and butter items on top of some higher quality items each day. So I just wanted to run through and show you the type of things that I buy. Maybe you can pick out a brand, but basically they're just mall brands. Typical, you know, everyday brands that you will just see in a basic shopping mall. They're nothing fancy, but they're still quality. You know, I'm not buying really cheap stuff, but I am buying quality. So let me just, sorry, this is wobbling a little bit, but yeah, let me go through and show you what I've got. The first item I bought to show you is a Sportscraft men's shirt that was size large and was a green checkered pattern. I sold that for $25.95 plus $8.40 postage. The next item is a Witchery women's denim skirt, size 12, and it's a long pencil skirt. I sold that for $29.95 plus $8.40 postage. I bought this Quicksilver men's short sleeve shirt. It was an extra large, and I sold it for $24.95 plus $7.95 postage. I bought this XDM girls snow jacket from a little church sale. And I sold that for $30.95 plus $12.95 postage. This new Tokito, however you say it, women's skirt, size 8, black pleated, was new with tags, so I had it listed for $29.95, but I got an offer really quickly for about $24, and I took that offer straight away, plus $8.40 postage. These Wrangler men's denim shorts in a size 32, I sold those for $29.95 plus $7.95 postage. The City Chic women's plus size top, which was a blue shirt with a denim look, I sold that for $33.95 plus $8.40 postage. This Witchery women's blazer is a size 14. It was a navy in colour. I find navy does really well for me in business suits or skirts or jackets, and I sold this for $38.95. I did have it listed for $45.95, but I took the offer for $38.95 with $11 postage and was very happy with that. This Macpac kids size 6 puffer vest, I sold that for $35 plus $8.40 postage. These George women's swimmers in a plus size 18, I sold those for $25.95 plus $7.95 postage. This Shopo women's dress was a size 6, navy floral. It was really pretty, in excellent condition. I listed it for $29.50, but I took an offer for $24.50. $8.40 postage, and I sold that within a couple of days. These Forever New shorts were a size 8 and they were white. I sold them for $20 plus $8.40 postage. A basic Country Road men's polo in an extra large, I sold that for $25 plus $8.40 postage. This Basque women's blazer jacket was a size 16 plus size, and I sold that for $35 plus $12.95 postage. This Veduce women's dress, it was a plus size of 18. It was just a pretty floral, it was the pattern that took my eye on this one, and I sold it for $23.95 plus $8.40 postage. This Ziggy Micro Mini Denim women's skirt, I sold that for $25.95 plus $7.95 postage. The Piping Hot Youth wetsuit, I sold that for $25 plus $12.95 postage. The Dejubra, I can't say it, Dejubra denim women's skirt, it's a size 10. I sold that for $26.50 after having it listed for $29.95. This Nike men's golf top was a pink size large. I sold that for $24.95 plus $7.95 postage. This Quicksilver men's rashi vest for extra large, it was in excellent condition. I sold that for $25 plus $8.40 postage. So there you go, there's 20 items that I've paid $2 for each, and I've sold them all for over $20 plus postage costs. If you've liked this video, please make sure you hit the like. Please write me a comment and let me know if I've helped you in any way. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I would love to have you follow my channel. Thank you so much.